quick tip is what you have to look for when you buy a regular short to ride your bicycle. Okay, first thing to look for is if, give some space for you to pedal. I know it's a very simple, quick tip, but sometimes it's so hard to find a very good short to ride your bicycle. We have the bike shorts, they're especially for it, but sometimes, like now, I'm going to a party, so just dress like, normal. So first thing is, if it's stretch, then look if there's elastic part here. And the most important tip is if there is a side pocket, never on top, not so good on back, but a side pocket that you can fit like your cell phone or whatever you want. And very important is if all the pockets has zippers. Okay, very quick one, but it makes a big difference if you have a very good short or if you have a very tight short that you cannot pedal. If you did like it, thumbs up and be part of it. Bye-bye. I'm going to my party.